We're live. So I have all the tools I'll be using ready. So I'm on the ChatGPT. A lot of people have asked me how to use the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot system that allows you to generate content using with a chatbot that uses your intent to generate content basically. So that's how it works. So like over here, you see the content I already generated before. And if you go on Google and search for who is the king of digital marketing in Nigeria? I said, if you say who is the king of digital marketing in Nigeria, it brings my name out here, and they even gave me a snippet over here. And if you check, my website is still #1 here on this particular topic. And that's that about that. So how do you do this, and how do you make Google to love your content even though if it is chat generated? And there's one thing I want to show you here. Even if I use my hand to type what is the name of the Nigeria president, right? I don't have an answer to that because I am not a Nigerian. Then let's analyze it. It tells you, okay, here it tells you it's 92% human generated. It tells you that this content is 92% human generated. So let's twist it a little bit. So let's copy something from here and paste it here and see how it goes. It tells you it's 98 human. It's 98% human generated. Sorry. Then let's copy from here and put it here and analyze. It tells you it's 99% human generated. You see how this thing works. I copied it from ChatGPT and it's telling me that it's 99% human generated. So how did I do this? This is it. So from here, I told ChatGPT to write me a content on who is the best digital marketer in Nigeria and use Isaac Rocks, which is my name, as the main character. His company, which is my company, and his company also is the best digital marketing agency. So I'm giving ChatGPT an idea of what to do. So I'm going to open a new chat and paste that and say enter. Then as it's generating it, I will also tell it that it should make it sound more human appealing, which means it should make it sound more appealing to the human ear, which is one of the things Google wants. They want a content that will sound more appealing to the human ear. And if I didn't tell you before, all you have to do is just go to chat.openai.com/chat, then use your Google account to log in. I think ChatGPT is working fine as of today, which is 14th January 2023. ChatGPT is working very, very fine. So as it's generating it, I'm going to wait for it. So I'm going to say make it more appealing to the human ear, or to human. Make it more appealing to human. So we're going to do it this way. So what I'm going to now do now is that as I generated this, I'll now copy this first one and check it in AI detector. First of all, check it in AI detector. It will tell you that this content is 87% human generated, which is fine. Or I will mix it. I will come here and copy this one and paste it and analyze. It tells you that this one is 86. The former one is 87 human generated. This one is 86. So I'm going to use the one with the highest human generated. So I'm going to go to my WordPress and paste it. Then I'm going to go back to ChatGPT again. This time around, I'm not going to use this first one again. I'm going to go to the second one, which is as the founder of. Then I'm going to paste it here and tell ChatGPT to. I'm going to paste it and say, make this sound with more pride, which means it should add pride to it. So let's see what it's doing. As founder, CEO, and all that, you see it's writing it to add more pride to it. Babe, calm down, I'm teaching people. Sorry about that. So I'm going to just copy this, and paste it over here. and analyze it. Let's see how many percent human. It's telling you that it's 100% human generated, so we are good to go. So I'm going to take this over here and paste it here. So that's how I'm going to continue that process. If you post this on your blog, as far as Google is concerned, this content are 100% human generated. There's no copyright infringement on it. So that's how it is. So if you have any question, do well to in the comment section drop your comments below. I'm going to answer you. Thank you. Let me go and attend to my madam.